Can we squeeze and get to that 83.50 hitting resistance? Come on, filled! Big fucking ding! All right, so what you need to understand, in my opinion, in order to understand why these swing moves kind of reverse this hard and these things happen, is because the market traps. Period. Therefore, if you can understand that the market traps, all you gotta do is simply wait for the trap to come in at a predetermined level of support and or resistance, and then take the trade alongside the trap. Now, key level for today for me was 74.76, which was posted on my Discord community yesterday. All of this is not hindsight traded. I traded this live on my stream this morning. You can rewind the tape and go and watch it. But the idea here I was watching for is simple, that you can see this big trap here, right below that 74. So I got long immediately right when we got back in. And yes, I was, in the green the entire time, but my greed got to me, and then I ended up taking a loss down here when I got stopped out for like $100 or something like that. But that's my problem. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want you to come here and be like, oh, you should have taken profit up here. No, I wanted to commit to that target of hitting that 88, which of course didn't happen, but whatever. This is the second part I want to show you. This is the part that we caught on stream here, which is this is the low here right now. So we can all see this. And then this was the low of, I guess you can say, when the numbers dropped. Pretty much like 6 minutes after, so not quite, but yes, it's still algorithmically driven. Also, we had a high here right at below 88, literally. Again, these are levels that you should kind of be familiar with. We're like ping-ponging between them. If you're not, well, trade technical analysis, maybe tune into this channel. You can figure out and learn more about what levels are in play today. And then you can see this here. We flushed that level of support there. We basically flush it by 3 to 5 points, bouncing from another mild level of support right here. And then look at that. Once we reclaim here, it's a pretty straightforward game to the long side. I didn't get long right here. I actually got long when we reclaimed this 74 area, because I didn't like the idea of getting long right under a level that could potentially be resistance. Why? Because you can see all these bounces from here, right? All these bounces. Well, the idea is simple. Now we could be back testing and getting denied and going lower, aka trending lower. But once we reclaim this level, I simply hop in long, and then we're getting the continuation and perhaps the push towards that 88 and through the 88. But again, I already took profit. It doesn't matter what happens. I'll be looking to get long again later on. But we're looking for this particular setup every single day, because in the end, the bulls win. The market loves to trap. And if we can just accept the idea that the trap is coming, we can wait for the trap, trade after the trap, and likelihood be on the right side of the trend and not get fooled by this kind of lower highs, okay, and then expect the market to put in another lower high here and get denied and go down. So it's very important to understand these traps, because these traps can keep you away from essentially being the one trapped. Until the next one, thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. Peace.